Ladies and gentlemen, teachers, and dear fellow students, good morning and thank you for joining me today for this morning assembly. Today, I want to address a topic that affects not only our school but our society as a whole: corruption. Corruption is a cancer that eats away at the very fabric of our nation, and we cannot turn a blind eye to its existence. It is a disease that impedes progress, justice, and fairness. Corruption manifests in various forms and can be found in both small and large scales, from petty bribery to large-scale embezzlement. One of the most dangerous aspects of corruption is that it not only robs the nation of its resources but also erodes the trust that people have in their institutions and leaders. When corruption takes root, it hinders development, siphons public funds, and leads to the deprivation of opportunities for the less privileged. As students, we are the future of this nation, and it is our responsibility to stand against corruption. We must cultivate a culture of integrity, honesty, and transparency in everything we do. We must refuse to engage in corrupt practices and be vocal against those who perpetrate them. Education plays a crucial role in combating corruption. By being informed and aware of the consequences of corruption, we can equip ourselves with the knowledge needed to make ethical decisions. Let us be critical thinkers and question any unjust practices we encounter. Furthermore, we should support and advocate for transparency and accountability in our institutions, whether it is within our school or in the larger society. We must encourage our leaders to be accountable for their actions and ensure that they are held responsible for any corrupt practices. In conclusion, let us take a pledge today to be part of the solution and not the problem. Let us work together to eradicate corruption from our lives, our school, and our society. Each one of us can make a difference by choosing the path of honesty, integrity, and fairness. Remember, change starts with us, and it begins right here, right now. Thank you for your attention, and let's make a commitment to build a brighter and corruption-free future for our beloved nation. Have a great day ahead.